Maintaining a strong and healthy relationship takes effort, and sometimes, a bit of fun and romance can work wonders to keep the spark alive. A dull routine can kill anything, especially the feelings for your loved ones. The key to getting rid of the monotonous routine is to add some fun romantic games for couples that are not too complicated, easy to play, and a great way to spice things up. One way to achieve this is by engaging in playful and romantic games with your partner. These activities not only strengthen your connection but also create lasting memories. In this video, we will explore some delightful games for couples that can help you bond and have a great time together. 1. The Love Letter Game. This game adds a touch of old-school charm to your relationship. Each partner writes a heartfelt love letter to the other and exchanges them without reading them immediately. Set a romantic atmosphere, complete with candles and soft music, and then take turns reading the letters aloud. This simple activity can reignite the passion in your relationship and remind you of the reasons you fell in love with your spouse. 2. Yes, maybe, not a chance. It's one of those games when the husband and wife switch places and act as the giver and the receiver. The donor makes careful plans for what to do and confirms with the recipient before proceeding with any of them. If the recipient agrees, the donor performs the action only once. The provider is unable to carry out the action proposed if the receiver declines. If the receiver replies with, maybe, the giver must then persuade them to enable the action to be carried out. If the target agrees to the request, the requester is free to carry it out. The ideal tease and one of the best icebreaker games for couples. 3. Video games for two. This one is as simple as getting on your favorite game console and choosing a game that is suitable for you and your spouse, something that you both are comfortable with. Add pizza, popcorn, and a lot of fun and you two are in for a blast. And if you really want to add some nostalgia to your game night, build a homemade tent out of some chairs and a bedsheet and simply camp out on the living room floor for the night. 4. Board games for two. Board games aren't just for groups. There are many designed specifically for couples. Games like Twilight Struggle or Jaipur are not only fun but also encourage healthy competition and cooperation. There are also games such as Scrabble, Monopoly, Parcheesi, and chess, just to name a few that you could add to your list of board games. Spending quality time playing together can be incredibly bonding. 5. The Blindfolded Taste Test. Turn your kitchen into a culinary adventure with a blindfolded taste test. Each partner takes turns blindfolding the other and feeding them a variety of foods. The catch? The person blindfolded has to guess what they're eating. This game can be an excellent opportunity to explore each other's culinary preferences and share a good laugh. 5. Table of Discussion. This is a simple yet fun game to spark meaningful exchanges between partners. The two of you can have more meaningful conversations by using table topics specifically for couples. Try to be as creative as possible by asking very intriguing questions to liven things up a bit. You can even try this game together over a glass of wine and some soothing tunes to relax the atmosphere. 6. Truth or Dare Couples Edition. An adult twist on the classic game, Truth or Dare can be a spicy addition to your relationship. Leave your pals at home and play it as one of the romantic, relationship games with your sweetheart instead. Create a set of romantic and intimate questions and dares and take turns asking each other. If they pick truth, you can ask them something intimate or funny, and if they pick dare, things can get a little steamy. But be prepared to open up and get a little vulnerable. It's all in the name of love and connection. 7. The Photo Scavenger Hunt. Plan a photo scavenger hunt in your local area or even at home. Create a list of things you both need to find and photograph together. This game encourages adventure and exploration while creating a collection of fun memories. 8. Burst the Balloon. In this simple game, each couple will be given a basket of balloons and given a certain amount of time to blow them all up. The winner of the game is the one who, in a given amount of time, say 1 minute, blows the most balloons. 9. Poems written by and for each other. Poetry is the most direct approach to expressing your feelings to your lover. Make a naughty or mischievous love poem if you don't want to get all teary. Write an honest-to-goodness love poem expressing how you really feel to show how much they mean to you. Whoever composes the most romantic, corniest, or kinkiest poetry, but choose your poison carefully, will be declared the winner. 10. Couples Massage Night. Unwind and pamper each other with a DIY couples massage night. Set the mood with soothing music, aromatic oils, and scented candles. Take turns giving each other massages and enjoy the intimate and relaxing experience. These are just some of the games that you and your spouse can play to keep your relationship fun, fresh, and exciting. In part 2 of this series, we will add to this wonderful list of fun and games. So, be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell to be sure that you catch our next video. We here at Motivate My Marriage hope that our videos add some insight, inspiration, and motivation to your marriages and relationships. Remember, we are inspired to revitalize love and empower bonds. Thanks for watching Motivate My Marriage. Please be sure to like, subscribe and share.